Hello, I am Craig Tingle of the Tingle Law Firm, and I want to thank you for tuning in and taking a few moments and allowing me to discuss with you what to do when an insurance company denies your roof replacement insurance claim. If you're tuning into this period of instruction, you have probably already submitted a claim to your home insurance carrier requesting assistance. The insurance company has probably sent someone out to take photographs, and they have sent you a letter denying coverage. You are not alone if you are feeling both powerless and overwhelmed against this behemoth industry. Don't be afraid. Contact a competent law firm to help you. I would be pleased if you contacted us. The first thing you want to do is document everything. Take plenty of color photographs. Save emails, text messages, and any voicemails along with letters. Take notes of any face-to-face meetings with the insurance company. In Florida, you cannot record a telephone conversation without the consent of the party being recorded. But you can save text, emails, letters, and voicemails. If you take it upon yourself to replace a roof, as some of my clients have done and later recovered the cost successfully, save some of the samples of the damaged roof tiles or shingles because they may be useful later on. Frequently, the insurance company will have a third party prepare a document known as a detailed roof report with colored photographs. The insurance company will attempt to convince you and the mediator or judge or jury that this is a neutral party producing the report. This is usually not the case. That company, selected by the insurance company, has done work for the insurer before and hopes to do more in the future. Therefore, the report is often slanted. Typically, you, the homeowner, will not want to or be able to afford the cost or expense of a report. Often that is not a problem. We can successfully work with the report that is provided because we understand the report and its, at times, dubious origin. Now, we will want to look to all of the potential plaintiffs as we seek your recovery. Those may include the insurer, builder, roofer, and possibly the material man. The insurance company will usually claim that there is poor or shoddy workmanship and that is why the roof failed. Usually there's a microburst or some other type of wind event, but there is always the off chance that the insurance company might be correct. This is the reason to take a broad approach to defendant selection at this point. One of the first things that must be done after the claim is denied is to ask for a mediation through the Florida Department of Financial Services. There has to be at least 21 days notice provided to all the parties for this to take place. There is no cost to the homeowner, and an attorney need not be present. I recommend, however, that you engage an attorney to attend the mediation with you. It will show the insurance company that you are serious and that you intend to file a lawsuit if necessary. Be aware that you have almost no chance of getting a satisfactory solution at mediation. Rather, the positions are staked out. The insurance representative is there to drag out the issues, exacerbate the homeowner, and make you feel the situation is hopeless. All the settlement offers are de minimis at this stage. I have always rejected mediation offers. In fact, I usually slam my notebook shut and storm out of the session with my client in tow, the twain to never look back again. In order to sue the insurance company and the builder, there are pre-suit notice demands that are required. One with the Florida Department of Consumer Services against the insurer, and another pursuant to Florida Statute Section 558, which is directly mailed to the builder or roofer. Both require that 60 days be given before a lawsuit can be filed. Depending on the circumstances of your case, my law firm may be able to represent you on a contingency fee basis and possibly seek a fee multiplier from the courts. At this point, I think it would be cumbersome to describe the process further, but I would invite you to contact my law firm if you would like to pursue representation via our law firm. To learn more, please contact me at Tingle & Associates PA at embarkmail.com or call us at 850-650-8138 or visit our website at www.tinglelawfirmdestin.com. I look forward to meeting you.